Hello, in front of me I've got Haier HD90. In this video I'll show you first start of your dryer. Firstly, take a look at the back of the dryer. Right here we've got this power cord. We have to plug it to power supply. Next, take a look right here. Remove this black cord from this handle and plug this cord here. This black cord is draining cord. Next, let's turn on your dryer. In order to do it, simply press and hold this button. And it's done. Here we've got the water tank. And here we've got two filters. Make sure to clean them each time you use your dryer. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.